I'm just going to go press it in and then just go like that. And then look at that. Perfect fries. Wash them, change the water a few times and let them soak for about 20 minutes. And then I've just put them, submerged them in water, put in the wok. Starting from cold, a bit of salt in there. And then I'm probably just going to bring this up to the boil. While I'm cooking those fries, I'm going to roast the chicken. Anyway, I've got liquid shio koji, my favorite. I'm just going to marinate liquid shio koji, some salt as well. And then I got some rosemary from the garden or from my balcony. And then that's just going to go all over inside. All right, and then this comfy garlic oil. All right, that's just going to add some flavor and help crisp up the skin. And check this out. This is going to be like my stuffing, okay? It's going to be my stuffing. And then this will be a nice little surprise. And that'll keep that bird nice and moist. I got my cut up chicken. I got my beautiful hand cut chips, roast garlic aioli, or comfy garlic aioli, which the garlic was cooked inside the chicken cavity.
With a lot of garlic.
So this is just a delicious, simple family dinner.